It began not with a bang, but with a quiet, measured statement that rippled through the scientific community. On a calm Tuesday morning, Dr. Michio Kaku, a trusted voice on the mysteries of the cosmos, appeared on a live news broadcast. His words were simple, yet they carried the weight of a revelation that could redefine our place in the universe. He spoke of an anomaly, an object of unknown origin, observed in the skies of a world far from our own. This was not a blurry photo from a backyard telescope, but a clear, validated observation from humanity's most powerful eye on the cosmos. Dr. Kaku confirmed that data from the James Webb Space Telescope, aimed at the Proxima Centauri system, had captured something extraordinary, an object moving with purpose, with a control that defied any known natural phenomenon. It was an unidentified aerial phenomenon, but not in our atmosphere. 4 light-years away, in the dim red twilight of another star's world. The announcement was deliberate, a controlled release of information debated for weeks behind closed doors at top space agencies. The decision to go public, led by Dr. Kaku, was a recognition that this was too big to contain. The initial reports were sparse, designed to inform without causing panic, but the core message was unmistakable. We may have just found signs of intelligence. This was the moment humanity might finally have to confront the profound reality that we are not alone. The implications began to sink in, not as a sudden shock, but as a slow, dawning realization. The questions that followed were immediate and overwhelming. What is it? Where did it come from? And what does it mean for us now that we know something is out there? To understand the gravity of this discovery, we must first understand the stage, Proxima B, the closest known exoplanet to our solar system, orbiting Proxima Centauri. Imagine our solar system as a house. Proxima B is the house next door, just 4.2 light-years away. Proxima B is a rocky world, slightly more massive than Earth, orbiting within its star's habitable zone, the so-called Goldilocks region, where liquid water might exist. But it's no paradise. Its red dwarf star bombards it with intense radiation, sparking debate about whether life could survive there at all. This uncertainty made Proxima B a compelling target for study. The discovery of an object moving with intelligent control in this location changes everything. If this object is artificial, it suggests either a civilization arose on this harsh world, or a civilization from elsewhere is visiting or observing it. Proxima B is no longer just a candidate for potential life. It has become the prime suspect for confirmed technology. Our closest cosmic neighbour may have had visitors for a very long time, and we were completely unaware until now. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful observatory, was the silent witness. Launched in 2021, Webb's infrared vision allows it to see through cosmic dust and detect faint heat signatures. Webb wasn't searching for UFOs, it was conducting an atmospheric analysis of Proxima B, using transit spectroscopy to look for signs of life. During this observation, a smaller point of light entered its field of view. At first dismissed as a glitch or asteroid, the object remained, and moved in a way that defied the laws of orbital mechanics. It wasn't a moon or debris, it moved with precision, navigating just above Proxima B's atmosphere. Webb's instruments captured detailed images and data, designed to see the first galaxies, but now revealing something much closer and perhaps far more significant. As the data streamed back to Earth, disbelief turned to certainty. The eye in the sky had seen the impossible. What set this object apart was its movement. Unlike comets or asteroids, it didn't follow a predictable path. Webb tracked its position for hours, revealing a flight path that was, simply put, unnatural. The object approached Proxima B from the dark side, slowed down without visible thrusters, and hovered for nearly half an hour. Then it executed a sudden 90-degree turn, instantaneous with no arc or deceleration, before accelerating away at a significant fraction of the speed of light. No visible propulsion, no exhaust, no explanation. The object moved with purpose and freedom, as if the laws of physics were being set aside. Its shape was hard to resolve. but analysis suggested a solid, elongated, asymmetrical structure, clearly manufactured. Scientists realized they were witnessing something not born from cosmic dust, but forged by intelligent hands. As Webb's data was confirmed, a wave of shock spread through NASA and the European Space Agency. This was not a discovery for celebration, but for urgent secret meetings. Every conventional explanation was explored and ruled out. The object was real. This plunged agencies into a crisis of belief. NASA's protocols were built around finding microbial life, not advanced technology orbiting another star. There was no plan for this. The discovery was classified at the highest levels. A select group of scientists and officials debated what to do next. Some argued for secrecy, fearing panic and instability. Others insisted the discovery belonged to all humanity. The decision to allow a controlled release, starting with Dr. Kaku, was a compromise. To introduce the concept gently and manage a narrative that could easily spiral out of control. Despite efforts to control the flow of information, secrets of this magnitude have a way of leaking. In the days after Dr. Kaku's statement, fragments of raw data appeared on secure forums: telemetry, spectral charts, trajectory plots. These leaks hinted at more than what was officially released. Some files tracked a smaller, secondary object deploying from the primary craft, performing a low-altitude pass over Proxima B, then rejoining the larger object before departure, a maneuver suggesting methodical exploration. Another leak showed a spectral analysis with sharp, unnatural emission spikes, artificial signatures of engineered materials. The data suggested the object was made of materials far beyond our current capabilities. The leaks painted a picture of a highly advanced technological vessel performing complex operations, and those who leaked the data seemed driven by the belief that humanity deserved the unvarnished truth. The most compelling evidence was the object's energy signature. Webb's instruments revealed a spectrum unlike anything seen before, a clear fingerprint of advanced technology. The object was incredibly cold, nearly blending into the background of space, except for a concentrated point of intense energy. This energy wasn't radiated as heat, but showed a localized distortion in space-time, a phenomenon predicted by physics but never observed. When the object made its 90-degree turn, Webb detected a fleeting burst of gravitational waves, ripples usually created by colliding black holes. For a ship-sized object to generate such a signature would require an energy source beyond imagination. This was the smoking gun, a direct glimpse into the physics of an advanced civilization, centuries ahead of our own. The confirmation of an advanced object orbiting Proxima B marks the end of one chapter of human history and the beginning of another. For millennia, we've asked, are we alone? Now we know we are not. This knowledge will reshape science, philosophy, and our sense of self. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence will move to the center of our efforts. New telescopes and missions will focus on finding technological signatures, not just microbial life. The Proxima Centauri system will become the most scrutinized patch of sky in history. We must confront profound questions. Are these visitors friendly, hostile, or indifferent?